Okay guys, we were unboxing a package from AR store sa Lazada. Nagko-customize sila ng t-shirts. Then yung mga price range nila is nagbabase sila sa sizes ng shirt na bibilhin mo. So yung na-order natin is a YouTube t-shirt, customized t-shirt na in a size of large. So, nagkakahalaga yun ng 220 pesos lamang. So, yan box na natin. Let's begin!
Got a million questions, I can't think straight. Had too many drinks, I can't walk straight. It's building up, I think this is a meltdown. Breakdown. High for the night, I can be so wild like your dreams. I make you come alive for a little while. Yeah, I promise you, it all looks good on paper, but I can promise you it's not like that. My heart is hurt.